Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a tour around my house. This may be a two-parter, but I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, I'm outside and back behind me is, I don't know if you can see on my back behind me right there is where we keep our donkeys. Sorry about the dogs in the background. Over there is where we keep our hogs. I don't know if you can really see, I'll zoom in. Over there where we keep our hogs. Yeah. And over there is our fort. Yeah, guys. I was actually going to be doing a Roblox video, but that one got scrapped. For some reason, I lost connection to a server on Roblox. So yeah. Oh, my mama's and daddy's working on the hog pens over here. Over there's where we keep our chickens, or our baby chicks. Yeah, guys. I don't know how long it's been since I posted a video. I know it's been like yesterday. Yesterday's the last time I posted that one. It's been a... Yeah, you can hear my dog. Over there, you can't see him anymore. Right there, you guys can mention his butt. There's my daddy. There's the tractor, there's a John Deere. Yeah, guys, this is actually the first time I've actually showed my face. Yeah, I don't see my mama, but she's somewhere around here. Yeah. Oh, I see her. Yeah. There's the tractor, that's the tire. Not exactly a tire, you know what that is, it's a front end loader. Hold on, I'm going to talk to my mama. There's my dog. There's my dog, I'll zoom out for you. Yeah, sorry about that, but yeah, that's my dog barking. I'll show you my chicks. Yeah, those are my chicks, and don't know my donkeys are, but they're somewhere around here. Guys, see you whenever I get there. Okay, guys, we're about halfway there. Sorry, I didn't actually show my mama, but yeah, she has her own YouTube channel. You may have heard that from my channel intro. My first video I did. Yeah, if you search Triple T Farm on YouTube, it'll be the second one. It'll have like a little tree with a picture. Yeah. Guys, no, really, like, first time. Like I said in the intro, this is going to be a two-parter. There's my house. There's my daddy's truck, my mom's truck, and then the garage. There's Yeah. There's my chicken pen right there. I'll go in there in just a minute. I'll see once I'm in there. Here we are, my chicken pen. There's my chickens. Right there, that one right there. I'm looking at with the red. That's the rooster. There's a chicken over there. You can't really see it. Not focusing like it needs to be. Before I show you the old chicken, that's what I want to show you. There's my shop. That's where you work on stuff, and I actually got my own race car in there. I'll show you. But first, I want to show you something. Hey, Quippo. Say hi.
Hi.
That's my little sister. And down there's that's mine. That's my sister's cat. My sister's cat's not feeling real good. There's my car, my race car. It's actually a go-kart. There's my helmet. Actually, I might put my helmet on. If you haven't seen my second video, which is actually called Terrible at Racing, I'm good at racing on go-kart, so it's called. That's what it meant. Yeah, I'm good at racing this my go-kart. Yeah, I'll pause it and I'll show you what I look like with my helmet on. This is what I look like without my mask on. This is what I look like with my mask. This is what I look like with my mask on. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna say my favorite. But you can tell it's dirty. Yeah, that top is so hard here. So yeah, I don't know. I might get my mom and dad to put my body on, and I might drive like a couple of laps around the house. I'll see. I'll tell you if they say yes. See you when I get there. And actually, guys, my go-kart's name is Bullet. It's actually really fast. I'm pausing. I'm halfway there. I'm going to pause it still though.
Hey guys, my name's Becca. I'm TK's mom, and I have a channel, or our family has a channel called Triple T Farm. Go watch our videos.
So yeah, guys, my mom, I've already told you about her channel once, and that's twice now. That's the first time I talked about it in one of my videos. Yeah. You should really go check out her channel. It has a little bit of me in it. You'll like it. I'm not having enough time to do a little bit of my house, so I don't. I might be able to do it in one whole video. Probably so. I don't know. I might. Probably, if I find my donkeys, I'll show them to you. Yeah, I'll see if I'll find them, and I'll also show you my chicken pen a little more. I might actually tell you a little bit more about my sister. She's coming this way. Yeah, guys. Probably looking. Heck, well, I don't think it actually got you talking about your dance. You might have to talk about your dance again, because I don't think it got it. Hey, like Corvette.
Okay,
And action.
okay,
No, go back a little.
okay,
Good.
I don't think we go like this, and then we go like this, and then we go like this, and then we come bottom on if we do it. I don't want to talk about trees, but I don't. Hi.
But yeah, guys, that was my sister. There's my mama driving the tractor over there. There's my kitten right here. Sleeping. Hey, Chloe. Oh. I'll show you his mine. Right here. Blue eyes.
Okay, it's all yummy fish.
This Quavo's cat that I was talking about, she ain't feeling real good. Yeah. Same thing. Pretty much. Blue eyes. Yeah, guys, I'll try to find my donkeys. I'll see you whenever I find them. By the way, while I'm here, I might as well show you my garden. Yeah, here's my garden. Over there, can't really see it. Let me get back. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Right over there, we have like a little chain link fence type thing, and we're growing cucumbers right there. So, guys, this is what it looks like. There's cucumbers. There's all the way to the end there. I guys got some new plants over here. Baby wants to show you what I mean. Hang on. So whenever I find my donkeys, I'll come back. You know what? I might as well show you my chicken coop. I've showed you a little bit of it. I haven't showed you like the inside. And I might as well check the eggs while I'm there. But real quick, I'm going to ask my mom if she hasn't already checked the eggs. And I'll show you the inside still though. And a little bit of the donkey pen that we used to keep our donkeys in. Guys, I'm going to ask my mama. Guys, she has not checked the eggs. I might as well show you what my eggs look like. Yeah, at least 9 a day. I'm not sure how many we got right now. At least 9 or 6 in between those. But yeah, see you whenever I get inside the pen. So yeah, guys, and the chicken pen. Here's the chickens. Hold on a second. So yeah, guys, and chickens. That kind of reddish one right there is actually my favorite. So yeah, she's probably one of our layers. See you in just a bit. I'm about to show you one of my eggs. Here's what they look like. Yeah. Okay. Hold it. I'll put it back. So yeah, guys, I was gonna feed the chickens, but we don't need to right now. So yeah, guys, I'm about to show you some more of the donkey pen. And yes, I still am gonna show you the donkey if I find them this video. If I don't find this video, I'll surely know I will next video. Okay, guys, because I don't know how much it can hold. But yes. That's what the pen looks like. There's a tree. I used to play in there, but now I use it for donkeys. That's the barn I play in, so there's actually an engine in there. A lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff in That's probably it for this video. I don't see the donkey, so I'm sure I'll. By the way, guys, next Sunday, not this Sunday, but next Sunday, I'll go to the racetrack and I'll show you my go-kart. I promise that. Oh, wait up. Guys, thanks for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.